Hello and welcome back to the channel. Well, coming up soon, I will be doing little repairs on a 94 Chevy Silverado Suburban. I'm going to be showing how to change out the dash, changing out the wheels, fixing the back doors, little minor stuff, and eventually doing like getting it prepped and ready for a new paint job. I'm thinking maybe put a new gauge cluster on it, changing out the style of the dash, changing out the front grille to maybe a 96, 97 model. I'm going to change out the lights, the back bumper, little things here and there. If you have an idea of what I can do with it, feel free to let me know down in the comment section below, and be sure to hit that like button and the bell notification so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Also, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you'd like to support your boy, there's a link down below for the Patreon account, the GoFundMe account, and the PayPal money pool account. So hopefully we get some thumbs up and make the channel a lot better. Also, if you look around, I got Hot Wheels all over the wall, so you can tell I'm real big into cars and collectors. Also, I got this is one of the collectors right here. I don't know if you can see it real well on the camera, but that's the Knight Rider kit car. So I will be getting a P.O. box for fan mail fairly soon, and I once I get it, I will put a link down below with the address. And also be sure to go check out Silver Lestat's channel. She has pretty good content. Mostly it's TikTok and about with our daughter. Also, I have a family page on there called Dragon Wolf Vlogs. So be sure to check out my second channel, as well as my wife's channel, Silver Lestat. So hope you liked the video, and as always, peace.